In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam error code 5 quickly and easily. This is a common issue that can appear when launching a game or trying to update something inside Steam, and it usually happens because Steam doesn't have the correct permissions or because some game files are corrupted. The good news is that you can fix this in just a few minutes using a few simple steps. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can get back to playing your games without frustration. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in and fix this problem. The first thing we want to do is completely close Steam. Sometimes Steam continues running in the background even after you close the window, and that can cause errors when you try to reopen it. To make sure it's fully closed, look at your taskbar and exit Steam if it's still running. After that, we'll double check that no Steam processes are running in the background before starting it again. Next, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time to open the Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running processes and find anything related to Steam. This could include steam.exe or any Steam client processes. If you see any of them running, click on the process and then select End Task. This will force the process to stop completely and ensures Steam starts fresh the next time we open it. Now that everything is closed, the next step is to run Steam as an administrator. This gives Steam the proper permissions it sometimes needs to access files and install updates correctly. To do this, locate your Steam shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu. Right-click on the Steam shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. When Steam opens again, log into your account normally and go to your Steam library. From your library, find the game that's showing the error code. Right-click on the game and click on Properties. Inside the Properties window, select the Local Files tab. Here you'll see an option that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click that button and Steam will start scanning the game installation on your computer. What this process does is check every game file and compare it with the official files on Steam's servers. If any files are missing, broken, or corrupted, Steam will automatically download the correct versions and repair the installation. This process may take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so just let it finish completely. Once the verification is finished, try launching the game again and the Steam error code 5 should now be resolved. In most cases, this fixes the problem immediately because the game files and permissions are restored properly. And that's it. That's how you fix Steam error code 5 quickly and safely. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Steam fixes, Windows tips, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.